I mean, it works. It works. Hey guys, this is Judy from judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another of my stamping nail art tutorial collab videos for you. This week's Facebook group collab is hosted by me and our theme is to be happy. The rules for this collab were to stamp on our nails some happy designs, either happy faces, like a quirky image that brought a smile on our face, or some positive words that are reflecting happiness. I would like to say a big thank you to all of the ladies from our Facebook group who joined me for this collab. I already saw all the manicures and I absolutely love them. Make sure that you check out the description box for the links to the nail art tutorials, and also I will post the pictures at the end of my video so you see all the manicures that were created for this collab. If you're coming from any of these channels who joined me and you are here for the first time, then welcome. I do hope you will like what you see here. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up my video and also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, so I have some really fun stamping plates that I wanted to use in a nail art tutorial for a while. As you know, I was hauling and receiving some stamping plates recently, and I just found a couple images that I really wanted to showcase in one of my nail art tutorials. So I hope you will like this. Don't forget to stay tuned until the end so that you see all the manicures, and I think that's it for my rambling, so just check the description box. If you have any questions, just leave them for me in the comment section and just keep watching. And I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.